It's the back side of the Millennium Falcon. It's got battle damage on the Millennium Falcon.
That's what it was. The original one was going to dinner. Very funny. I like people to say out on it.
Other side of Black Spire.
Wait. What did you disconnect? Because the thrust vectors are moving. No, don't touch anything. This is the first time those little suckers have moved since we brought the engine in here. No, they stopped.
Oh, Hondo is not going to be happy.
What? Well, we're not going to get a lot of smuggling, transporting done without an engine, now are we?
Pick up the comm.
This is Gar, go ahead.
Gar, what's the status on the cargo for the Falcon?
Well, I'm working as fast as I can, Malta, but I can't just... What? Where'd that come from, Gar? Hey, come here, buddy. How'd you get here? You shouldn't be wandering around a spaceport.
What are you doing?
Well, there's this little fluff ball that just hopped up here. He's so cute.
Gar, we don't have time.
Oh, he's got cute little webbed feet and the biggest eyes you've ever...
Whatever it is, leave it alone and get back to work.
I think this little fellow was stowed away on the Falcon.
Sure, great, whatever. Please, just don't...
I'm gonna try to touch it. Yep, razor sharp teeth. Where are you going, little guy?
Gar.
Oh boy, you should see this, Malta. Oh, he just hopped right up on the generator and... Malta?
Yep. Okay. Paging maintenance. Maintenance to hangar bay 4.
Anyone working under the Corellian YT 1300 freighter, please clear out. We're going to need to vent those fuel lines. Okay. You can shut them off. This beat up hunk of junk never ceases to disappoint.
That's super cool.
Alright, let's power up the gyrodyne again. Sublight engines to 40%.
Left hand side.
Make sure we wait behind the white line into the
I'm gonna get named by the door.
All the way forward for my folks in the back. All the way forward on the inside.
Are we all in? Good, good, good. For those who don't know me, I am Hondo Ohnaka, and welcome to my completely legitimate shipping company, Ohnaka Transport Solutions. I am sorry I could not be there to welcome you in person, but the work of a smuggler, a businessman, is never done. I have many, many ships, and I have far too much cargo. What I need are pilots to transport it, gunners to protect it, and engineers to make sure it gets there in one piece. And that is where you come in, as my new flight crews, traveling on their fastest ships in the quadrant. Like that one, the Millennium Falcon. Chewbacca! Of course you will be compensated for the generous loan of your ship, and the resistance will get the supplies they needed. Maybe a little something from me. It is time to go.
My right side.
Listen
Come on.
carefully to your
My
mission.
left side. Come on into
Try
this
to
door right
work
over here.
together now. Your lives and my profit depend on it. So let's get you on those ships.
He is a model. I forget what model number he is, but he's the animatronic, the most advanced ones they have.
Let's have 2 people in the front, 2 people in the back, and 2 people in the middle. Cool. Alright. 2 people in front, you guys be pilots, 2 people in the middle, gunners, and 2 people in the back. You guys be my engineers. I'm gonna send you guys to the color blue, alright? Break down this hallway.
Push the lit button. No one tells you how to play the game. Where are the instructions to the video game?
Right here. What?
Oh, there it is.
Yes. Yes.
You want to go look?
I'll do that later.
There's no like paper instructions.
Go.
It's not funny. Oh God.
You're right here.
A brand new flight crew. Good luck to you all. You might need it. Today's flight takes you to the planet Corellia. You will be intercepting a first-order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. All right, into the cockpit. I hope you are ready, my friends, but to be sure, I will be coming along.
Remain seated and supervise younglings. Por favor.
Alright, let's place our cargo on the floor. You'll find the seatbelts on the wall. Bring it to the inside and get buckled up. Might be a little bit of a bumpy ride. Check on that yellow top, please. Alright, thank you. Thank you. Check on that yellow tab, please. Alright, and gunner and engineer.
Hurry now, time is money.
Hit those flashing buttons.
I'm going up or sideways? Oh, sideways. Don't crash! Not gonna do a lot of
Yes, flight engineers, repair test. Hit your flashing buttons. You'd better be faster when we get into real trouble. Right, pilot? Push the flashing button to take off. Pilot on the left. Move your stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right. Pull back on the stick to fly out. And push forward to fly down. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Now let's go get that coaxium. Right pilot, make the jump to Lightspeed.
Push it, pull it!
Train. Yes, keep shooting. They've locked onto us. Take evasive action. engineers, fire the harpoons. Excellent. Cannons, shoot the cargo free. The pilot brakes. Wait.
I didn't see a break.
Well, my friends, that could have been much worse. Okay.
It's much worse.
It's much worse. Yes, you got one. Excellent, my friends. Power of the ship. Well, I grab the coaxium. You see, just as I promised, my friends. Come on, let's get another container of coaxium. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Yes, keep mashing those controls. The cargo's breaking free. Keep shooting. Jump, my friends. Yes. We got the coaxium. I will grab it. You keep after the train. Gunship. Oh, that's lifting. Things are getting too hot. We've got to get out of here. Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry!
What the heck?
It's coming down! Let's fire! Hit the boosters! Boost! We made it! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Yes, Chewie will pilot us in. Remote. You retrieve 2 containers of coaxium. This will greatly help the resistance. You have heard the First Order and made Chewie proud. Now, after my modest profit, your cut minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon is, hey, not bad.
Oh my God. Hey, wait. Not bad, guys. Not bad. Okay.
All right, damage report. Engine failure. All right. Hyperdrive leak. That is not too good. Multiple hull rushes. Well, it could be worse. Life support failure. That's something. All right, I'm making an executive decision. Everybody out. Go on. Get out.
No, go ahead.
This thing is seeing better.
But we were doing really bad, so.
All available techs, we have a Corellian freighter that needs immediate transport back to the maintenance bay.
But the fun thing about this is that you're at different times, different, and you can play different roles. It just makes me real close. Look at this.
Yeah, that one wasn't. Major frame rate issues that ended lag.
Yeah, that was weird.
I told her, well, it's all based on something real. It's basically a video game.
Yeah.
It literally is just a video game. Yeah.